like and subscribe. Once upon a time, in a world where everything was grey and dull, there lived a spirited little girl named Lily. Despite the lack of colours around her, Lily was convinced that there was more to life than just shades of grey. One day, whilst playing in the park, Lily stumbled upon a magical wand. As soon as she picked it up, the wand began to glow and hum with an otherworldly energy. Lily felt an urge to wave the wand, and as she did, a rainbow of colours exploded all around her. The sky became a brilliant blue, the grass a vibrant green, and the flowers were so bright and colourful that they almost seemed to dance. Lily couldn't believe what had just happened. "Wow, what was that?" she exclaimed. Suddenly, a wise old owl appeared before her. "My dear Lily," said the owl, "you have been chosen to bring colour back to our world. You have been given the power to use the magical wand and paint the world in all its glory." Lily's eyes grew wide with excitement. "You mean I get to be a real-life superhero?" The owl nodded. "Yes, Lily, and it won't be an easy task. The colours have been missing for so long that people have forgotten what they look like. You will have to convince them that the world can be more than just grey." Lily's determination was unshakable. "Don't worry, Mr. Owl," she said. "I've got this. I'll make the world so colourful that people won't be able to resist its charm." With that, Lily set out on her mission, wand in hand and her trusty companion, Mr. Owl, by her side. As they journeyed through the land, they encountered all sorts of comical characters who had lost their appreciation for colour. "Why bother with colour when everything is just going to fade away anyway?" grumbled a grumpy old turtle. "It's a waste of time," huffed a hedgehog. Lily was undeterred. "Oh, come on, guys, don't be so pessimistic. Colour is what makes life worth living. Just imagine how much happier you'll be when everything around you is bursting with colour." As she spoke, Lily waved her wand, and colours burst forth from every direction. The trees, the rocks, and even the clouds became alive with colour. The grumpy old turtle looked up, his eyes widening in wonder. "My eyes! I haven't seen colours like these in years!" The hedgehog gazed in amazement. "I never knew the world could be so beautiful." Lily smiled triumphantly. "See? I told you so." As they continued on their journey, more and more people were inspired by Lily's enthusiasm for life and colour. The world was becoming a more vibrant place, and everyone was grateful to Lily for bringing back the joy and magic that had been missing for so long. In the end, Lily and Mr. Owl returned to their village, where they were greeted with cheers and applause. The world would never be the same again, thanks to the bravery and determination of a spirited little girl with a wand and a heart full of colour. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We release a new video every Sunday, and you don't want to miss out. Goodbye!
The Fable Factory.